Dear students, welcome back to the video, and this video I am going to tell you about color blindness. But before moving towards this video, if you want to check out two problems related to either myopia and hyperopia, then I'm giving the link of that video in the description, so click and learn from there. Let's start today's video. So what is color blindness? Actually, color blindness is basically color vision defect. Okay, so what happens, the person who is colorblind is unable to distinguish red from green, blue from yellow. What is the cause behind it? Actually, you know that there are two types of cells found on our retina, and these are rod cells and cone cells. Rod cells are sensitive to dim light and they perceive light and dark mode, while cone cells are specifically related to the colored vision, and we are having three types of cone cells: red, green and blue. So if defect lies in any of these three cone cells, then the person becomes colorblind for one or more colors. Come back to this. So if some object is placed, or if you are having a band of colors in front of you, then the normal eye is able to detect all these colors easily, okay, because there is no problem in their cone cells, in the cone cell of that eye. On the other hand, if you look at the colorblind person, so the person who is suffering from color blindness, he is unable to distinguish the colors. You can see the band is the same, like the red and other colors are available on this band, but that person is unable, the colorblind person is unable to actually distinguish the colors, that is red from green and blue from yellow. So this is color blindness all about. I hope that you understood it. Now for your understanding, I've added here a color blindness test. So you will have to tell me the number that is lying in this circle. So if you are having the normal vision, you are not colorblind, so you can tell me the number easily. Where you'll have to tell it in the comment. I'll be waiting for your answers. And there are some more, so you have to tell me the numbers that are lying in these circles. If you answer correctly all, it means you are not colorblind, you're healthy, your eye is healthy basically. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, thumb up, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. That means a lot. Share it in the circle, spread the knowledge, so that not only you grow but everybody will grow together. So I will see you in some other informative video very soon. Till then, take care.